Do you know how important protein is for your body? Protein, often hailed as the building block of life, plays a crucial role in repairing and building tissues, making enzymes and contributing to various bodily functions. But where does this essential nutrient come from? Well, hold on to your seats because we're about to embark on a journey through the diverse world of protein sources. Let's start with animal proteins. These proteins are complete, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that our body cannot produce on its own. Meats like chicken, turkey, and beef are rich in protein and also provide essential nutrients like iron and vitamin B12. Seafood, especially fish like salmon and tuna, not only offer a hearty dose of protein, but also supply heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs, a breakfast favorite, are another excellent source of animal protein. They're not only packed with protein, but are also rich in vitamins and minerals. Then we have dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt. These foods are high in protein and also provide calcium, which is vital for bone health. But what if you're vegetarian, vegan, or simply trying to cut down on your meat intake? Don't worry, there's a plethora of plant-based proteins at your disposal. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and beans are protein powerhouses. They're also high in fiber, which aids digestion. Nuts and seeds offer a good dose of protein as well. Almonds, peanuts, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, the list goes on. And let's not forget about whole grains. Foods like quinoa, brown rice, and oatmeal are not only filling but also provide a decent amount of protein. Now, you might be wondering about other sources of protein. Well, certain processed foods like tofu and tempeh are high in protein. Protein powders, often used in shakes and smoothies, are another popular source. They come in various forms including whey, casein, and plant-based versions. So, what's the takeaway here? Protein is an essential nutrient that comes from a variety of sources. Whether you prefer meat, are plant-based, or enjoy a mix of both, there are plenty of high-protein foods to choose from. Remember, balance is key. A diet that includes a variety of protein sources can provide a wide range of nutrients and ensure you're getting all the essential amino acids. Keep in mind, protein is more than just a nutrient. It's a vital part of a healthy lifestyle, supporting everything from muscle growth and repair to hormone production. So next time you're planning your meals, remember to include a good source of protein. Your body will thank you for it.